Di malilimutan kailanman, kailanman. Lahat nagbago sa araw na to. Pagdating mo sa buhay ko, lahat sumaya, buhay ko'y nag-iba. Happy birthday! Ang saya ng mundo ngayong ikaw ay narito. I wish you a happy birthday. Ang araw na to ay araw mo, pagdating mo sa ating mundo. Natatandaan, di malilimutan. I wish you a happy birthday. Happy birthday. Ang araw na to ay araw mo, pagdating mo sa ating mundo. Natatandaan, di malilimutan. I wish you a happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Matthew. Happy birthday, Marites. Happy birthday, happy birthday, walay manok. Happy birthday to you. Naita baboy, walay tambok. Hello, Tis. Anak. Happy birthday. Tagaan pa ta sa Ginoo sa taas pa ni mong panahon sa imong kinabuhi. Nga anaa kanimo kanunay nga ang pag-ampo sa imong natawhan. Ika 34 kana karon. Salamat ta sa Ginoo, tagaan pa ka og panahon. Taas pa kinabuhi. Thank you.
Hello, Te. I hope year after year you are blessed with all the joy, happiness, love, warmth, fortune, and goodwill that the world has to offer. You deserve the very best, and I pray to God to give you the very best in life. And I can think of how my life would have been if it weren't for your shadow being with me all the time. Thank you for being there whenever I needed you. Happy birthday, Ati Tess.